Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about Alteryx. What is it and how to use it? All right, so what you're seeing here is Alteryx, and it's really a blank canvas here. You've got your canvas is this big white area here. You've got your results in the bottom pane and your configuration window over here. So not much to look at right here, but you've got a tool palette to choose from. So I'm going to start with some basic data here. I'm going to drag this input tool here, and that's just how you get data into your workflow. And I'm going to pick from, we'll just choose this customer file here. And I only have one sheet, but if you had multiple, you could pick which sheet you want. This is an Excel file, obviously. And you have a quick preview over here, but I'm going to run it. Okay, easy as that. So we have data, and you can see the data in the results pane. We could drag that up if we wanted to, just to see a little bit more. We've got 2,600 records. You can see we've got different store numbers. I'm just going to do a quick filter to say I really just want store number 100. So I drag the filter onto the pane, and you'll notice it connected directly to that input tool. And I'm going to choose store number equals 100. All right, let's run that, see what happens. So we get store 100 as you expect, 357 records, and on the false side, everything that's not store 100. And suppose we wanted to output this data to an Excel file, just store 100 though, and we can do that, set up a connection. We have to choose our file type, Excel, and then I'm going to put it in the output folder. I'm going to choose this file, replace it, yes, and on sheet 1. It says create new sheet, so when I run this, it's actually going to give me an error that it already exists. But what we can do is say, hey, instead of create new sheet, just overwrite that file. So it just gives you a quick warning, making sure you don't accidentally overwrite that. So that's it for the quick intro. I'm going to have more videos talking about some of these other tools and some more advanced functions of Alteryx and how it can make you more productive. So subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching.